In 2026, the best impact drivers are specialized powerhouses built for one specific task, driving large screws and bolts with massive torque while minimizing wrist strain. Unlike a standard drill, an impact driver uses a hammer and anvil mechanism that kicks in when it meets resistance, providing the extra oomph needed for tough materials like pressure-treated lumber or masonry. Starting at number 1, DeWalt DCK240C2 driver. The DeWalt 20V Max DCK240C2 is a versatile two-tool power kit that provides the essential foundation for any DIY or home renovation project. It features the DCD771 drill light driver, which utilizes a high-performance motor delivering 300 unit watts out UWO and a 2-speed transmission to handle everything from precision fastening to heavy-duty drilling. Complementing this is the DCF885 Impact Driver, an ultra-compact powerhouse measuring just 5.55 inches front to back, designed to drive large fasteners into tight spaces with ease. Both tools are engineered for user comfort with ergonomic handles and lightweight frames, while the Impact Driver includes a specialized 3 LED light ring for shadow-free visibility in dark areas. Complete with two 20V Max lithium-ion batteries, a charger, and a durable contractor bag, this kit offers a reliable and portable solution within the extensive DeWalt battery ecosystem. Number 2, DeWalt DCF870B Impact Driver. The DeWalt 20V Max XR DCF870B is a specialized hydraulic impact driver designed for high performance in noise-sensitive environments like hospitals, schools, or occupied offices. Utilizing an advanced fluid drive mechanism instead of a traditional metal-on-metal hammer, this quiet model operates up to 57% quieter than standard impact drivers while significantly reducing vibration and wrist strain. Despite its focus on noise reduction, the brushless motor and hydraulic system deliver impressive speed, driving large screws up to 40% faster than competitors in its class. Its ultra-compact 4-inch head allows it to maneuver effortlessly into tight cabinetry or framing spaces, and the integrated 9 LED halo ring provides exceptional shadow-free visibility with a 20-minute work light mode. As a tool-only, a bare tool offering, it is a perfect addition for those already on the DeWalt 20V platform who want professional-grade power without the deafening clatter of a traditional impact driver. Number 3, DeWalt DCF787D1 Max Impact Driver. The DeWalt 20V Max DCF787D1 is a high-efficiency impact driver kit that centers around a brushless motor, providing significantly more runtime and durability than standard brushed models. Engineered to deliver up to 1,500 nlbs of torque and a no-load speed of 10,800 RPM, it offers the necessary power to drive large fasteners through dense materials with ease. Its compact and lightweight design is specifically tailored for maneuvering in tight or overhead spaces, while the integrated 3 LED light ring, equipped with a 20-second trigger release delay, ensures your workspace remains clearly illuminated without shadows. This complete kit includes a 2.0H XR lithium-ion battery, a charger, and a soft contractor bag, making it a reliable, high-performance addition to the DeWalt 20V Max ecosystem for both professional contractors and serious DIYers. Number 4, Makita XDT19Z Impact Driver. The Makita XDT19Z 18V LX tier brushless impact driver is a top-tier precision-engineered tool designed for professionals who require a balance of high power and delicate control. Its standout feature is the Quick Shift Mode (TM), an automatic electronic controller that manages speed and torque to prevent common issues like screw thread stripping, breakage, and workpiece damage. This is complemented by Assist Mode (A mode), which starts at a lower speed to eliminate screw cam out and cross-threading, and 2 tightening modes (T mode), specifically for self-drilling screws in varying gauges of metal. Measuring an ultra-compact 4.5 inches in length, the XDT19Z is one of the shortest impact drivers in its class, making it ideal for tight cabinetry and framing. Despite its small size, the brushless motor delivers a potent 1,590 nlbs of max torque and up to 3,600 RPM. Users can toggle through 4 speed settings using a convenient one-touch selector located right under the chuck. Built for durability, it features a dual ball-bearing chuck to minimize bit wobble and extreme protection technology (XPT-TM) for enhanced dust and water resistance on harsh job sites. Number 5, Makita XDT11Z Impact Driver. The Makita XDT11Z 18V LXTR Cordless. Impact Driver is a durable workhorse tool designed for consistent performance across a variety of fastening applications. Unlike the more advanced brushless models, the XDT11Z utilizes a Makita-built 4-pole brushed motor with an innovative 4-brush design that increases RPM without sacrificing torque. It delivers a reliable 1,460 nlbs of max torque and features a variable speed trigger, 3900 RPM and 03500 IPM, giving the user precise control whether driving small screws or larger fasteners. At just 5 to 3/8 inches long and weighing only 2.8 kilos, with battery, it is highly ergonomic and excels in tight spaces or during overhead work. Durability is a key focus for this model, which includes an all-metal gear housing and extreme protection technology, XPT-TM, for enhanced dust and water resistance in harsh job site conditions. For added convenience, the tool features dual LED lights to illuminate the work area and a one-touch 1/4-inch hex chuck for rapid one-handed bit changes. As a tool-only, bare tool purchase, it is a cost-effective way to expand an existing collection of Makita 18V LX tier batteries.